Most of you know me for my Tacoma content and my Tacoma truck. Well, today I recently bought a 2018 Ford Fusion, and the first thing that I needed to get was some floor mats. So I reached out to Lasfit to get a pair to test on this Fusion. I have them in my Tacoma and I really like them. They're very thick and durable. So today we're going to be doing a deep dive into these floor mats, how well they fit, and kind of a comparison on the carpet floor mats that you get from the factory versus these nice upgraded premium floor mats. So let's go ahead and take a look at how everything looks from the factory. Taking a look here. So this is what the inside of a 2018 Ford Fusion looks like. You can see these floor mats. They are not rubber. They're not durable at all. They're just made out of very flimsy carpet, which is fine for catching dirt, but as soon as your feet get wet, you're really going to be out of luck. So we're going to take a look at the Lasfit and we're going to put them in here and see how they compare. As you can see, the ones that come from the factory, just like most cars, they are carpet and they don't do a very good job. So we'll go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Taking a look at everything that came in the packages, we can see that this is a significant upgrade over the existing carpet floor mat. So this will be great if you get your feet wet. If you're really just looking for some premium floor mats that don't cost an arm and a leg, and you really get the value. That's what's important to me when testing products, is making sure you're getting products that are valuable, that are worth the cost, that are durable, that hold up well. And these floor mats definitely fit the bill. So we can see we have some nice deep grooves here. We can see we got the brand here. And it's just overall, it's really nice and thick. It's going to do an excellent job keeping water and debris from hitting the floor. I went ahead and put the floor mats in, and this is looking great. So you can tell this is definitely 3D laser because it is the perfect fit here. So these aren't just your generic floor mats that you're going to get at AutoZone that are going to fit pretty much just any car. This is specially designed for the 2018 Ford Fusion. I will be throwing a link in the description to these, but I mean, this looks good. It's a great fit. Super easy. You literally just press right here and it snaps in on both sides. So that's going to keep it from moving and wiggling. Even if you have really big feet or you drag your shoes, it's going to hold it perfectly in place. This is also great for keeping water out because you'll get water here and it has a nice curb around the entire thing to keep water from splashing back. So overall, this is looking great. I went ahead and put these back floor mats in. Now, one thing to note, so it is designed the same at the front where you have these two buttons here, but there's not anything underneath here that actually snaps in. So this is just for looks for the back seat. The front seat definitely stays put and in place, but these do not have anywhere that they are technically connecting to, but you can see it does perfectly fit and it does go underneath here. So that does keep it from moving and wiggling around, and it goes under the seat as well. So if you have muddy shoes and put them under there, you're still protected, which is really nice. Moving on to the next side, I went ahead and installed these. Now, another thing that's interesting is that there are no hooks underneath on the passenger side. So these are again for looks because Ford did not design the interior of these to have any hooks, but it fits well. So there are certain things that you'll notice where something may not be sitting perfect. That's because when these are shipped, they are they end up getting kind of stuck in the position that they're shipped in. So if you do have anything weird or anything like that, you literally can just lay these out in the sun for a day and it'll fix it. So this side is fitting great. Taking a look at the back here, again, a great fit all the way around. Now it does come with this little centerpiece. So this little centerpiece does come off. It's not connected to these other two pieces. Super easy to install. Just squeeze it in and press down. But overall, that is how everything fits. So let's talk final thoughts. Are these floor mats worth it? Absolutely. I think they are going to do a absolutely fantastic job of keeping the inside of this nice little grocery getter real nice and clean, which is great. So the cool thing about Lasfit is they have floor mats for a ton of different make and models. So you can get them for Ford Fusion, or you can get them for a Tacoma, or a Jeep, or really any popular brand out there. So that's the great thing. So whether you're one of my regular subscribers that watch Tacoma content, or someone completely new to the channel, if you have a car, Lasfit probably makes floor mats that will fit perfectly, laser measured for your car. So overall, highly recommend these. I will throw a link in the description if you are interested. Check them out. It is definitely worth it. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.